Electroceutical devices market, revolutionizing neuromodulation tech. The electroceutical devices market is experiencing a surge in momentum within the neuromodulation technology sector, projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6.14% from 2024 to 2031. This explosive growth, as highlighted by the DataM Intelligence Research Report, signals a significant shift in how chronic pain, cardiac, and neurological disorders are treated. According to the report, the electroceutical devices market was valued at $20,987.61 million in 2022 and is expected to reach $29,785.39 million by 2031. This rapid expansion is largely driven by the increasing preference for electric-based therapies over traditional drug treatments. Implantable devices such as pacemakers and nerve stimulators provide precise, long-lasting relief, while non-invasive tools like transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation (TENS) units are gaining popularity for home and outpatient care. Technological advancements, including the integration of artificial intelligence and the development of smaller, more user-friendly designs, are making these treatments more effective and comfortable for patients. North America currently leads the market, but Asia-Pacific is experiencing rapid growth due to increased healthcare investments. This convergence of medicine and bioelectronic innovation is fundamentally changing the landscape of therapeutic approaches. To dive deeper into this exciting market, download your exclusive sample report today. Corporate email addresses receive priority access. https://www.datamIntelligence.com/download-samples/electroceutical-devices-market?sp. The dynamics driving the electroceutical devices market are multifaceted. Firstly, there is a growing demand for alternatives to pharmaceutical therapies, particularly for chronic and neurological disorders. These devices utilize targeted electrical stimulation to modulate neural activity, offering treatments for conditions such as epilepsy, depression, and chronic pain. The rising prevalence of lifestyle diseases and an aging population further fuel this demand. Patients and clinicians alike are increasingly opting for non-pharmaceutical interventions due to their reduced side effects. Advances in neuromodulation technologies and implantable systems are enhancing therapeutic outcomes, while supportive clinical evidence and FDA approvals are accelerating their adoption across healthcare systems. Investment in bioelectronic medicine and research into treating inflammatory and metabolic diseases is also supporting market growth. Miniaturization and wireless control of devices are expanding their usability and patient comfort. Collaborations between medical technology firms and research institutions are fostering innovation, and the growing acceptance of wearable and implantable devices in home settings is contributing to wider use. Reimbursement policies and the integration of digital health solutions are making these therapies more accessible. As precision medicine continues to evolve, electroceuticals are becoming a pivotal area in personalized healthcare solutions. Recent industry developments underscore the vibrancy of the electroceutical devices market. In May 2025, an acquisition of Neurometrics, initially agreed upon in December 2024, brought the Quell wearable device for chronic pain relief into the portfolio, patents pending, numbers 12,208,263, 12,213,795. In April 2025, data from a 102-patient study presented at the International Brain Injury Association World Congress showed that gammaCore NVNS significantly improved 22 out of 27 symptoms related to mild traumatic brain injury. Key players driving the market include Boston Scientific Corporation Incorporated, Abbott Laboratories, Philips Healthcare, Medtronic plc, Cochlear Ltd, LivaNova plc, Neurometrics Incorporated, Nevro Corporation, Biotronic, and Sonova, among others. For a tailored report that meets your specific needs, visit https://www.datamintelligence.com/customize/electroceutical-devices-market?sp. The research methodology employed in the Global Electroceutical Devices Market Report is comprehensive, combining both primary and secondary data sources. This dual-source approach ensures a robust market analysis by systematically evaluating various influencing factors, including regulatory frameworks, market conditions, competitive intensity, historical performance, technological innovations, and strategic challenges. The market is segmented into several categories by product type implantable cardioverter defibrillators, ICDs, cardiac pacemakers, cardiac resynchronization therapy devices, cochlear implants, retinal implants, spinal cord stimulators, deep brain stimulators, sacral nerve stimulators, and others. By application cardiovascular diseases, ophthalmic diseases, neurological diseases, hearing disorders, chronic pain, gastrointestinal diseases, and others. By modality invasive implantable electroceutical devices and non-invasive electroceutical devices. By end user hospitals and ambulatory surgical centers. Regional analysis reveals diverse growth patterns North America, particularly the US, leads the market with strong clinical adoption, innovation, and FDA approvals. Europe, including countries like Germany, France, and the UK, shows steady growth supported by favorable regulations and increased use in pain and neurological disorders. Asia-Pacific, especially China, Japan, and India, is experiencing rapid expansion due to rising healthcare investments and the adoption of advanced medical technologies. South America, led by Brazil, is gradually incorporating electroceuticals into neurological and cardiovascular care. The Middle East and Africa exhibit early-stage growth, driven by increasing awareness and healthcare modernization. To unlock comprehensive market intelligence, consider purchasing the full report. https://www.dataimintelligence.com/by-now-page?report electroceutical-devices-market?sp. DataM Intelligence offers subscription services providing detailed insights into the market competitive landscape, technology roadmap analysis, sustainability impact analysis, key opinion leader, KOL, and stakeholder insights, consumer behavior and demand analysis, import-export data monitoring, live market and pricing trends. Explore our subscription dashboard for more information. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=x50eiqeqtwg. Contact information *. Company name, DataM Intelligence. Contact person, Sai Kiran. Email, sai.k@datamintelligence.com. Phone, +1 877-441-4866. Website, https://www.dataimintelligence.com. About us *. DataM Intelligence is a leading market research and consulting firm dedicated to providing comprehensive business solutions from research to consulting. Leveraging top trends, insights, and developments, we deliver swift and insightful solutions to our clients. With a robust methodology and a wide range of syndicate and customized reports, we cater to the key research needs of over 200 companies across 50 countries, spanning 6,300+ reports in 40+ domains. Revolutionary brain tech, transforming lives. Imagine a world where technology can read and write neural signals, allowing people to control devices with their minds and restoring movement and speech to those who have lost it. This may sound like the stuff of science fiction, but the brain tech revolution is already here, and it's changing lives. While some may worry about the potential risks and downsides of this technology, the truth is that it has the potential to address some of the most pressing medical challenges of our time, from Parkinson's disease to depression. But here's where it gets really interesting. The latest advancements in brain tech are not just about treating illnesses, but also about enhancing human cognition and ability. For example, a new device called the Percept, developed by Medtronic, is like a pacemaker for the brain, using adaptive deep brain stimulation to help patients with Parkinson's disease move more smoothly and take fewer pills. In a recent study, patients who used the Percept device showed significant improvements in their motor skills and quality of life, and regulators on both sides of the Atlantic have given it the green light. But what's really exciting about this technology is that it's not just limited to treating Parkinson's disease. Scientists are also using similar techniques to help people with spinal muscular atrophy, a condition that can leave people unable to walk or move. In a recent pilot study, researchers used a device that stimulated the spinal cord to help patients with this condition walk farther and tire less, with one patient even able to stride from home to the lab without resting. And this is the part most people miss. Brain tech is not just about medical treatments, but also about mental health. A new headset developed by Pulviner Neuro has been tagged as a breakthrough device by the FDA for treating major depressive disorder, using a combination of alternating and direct currents to stimulate the brain. The technology offers a ray of hope for patients who have tried conventional treatments without success. But as with any new technology, there are also concerns about the potential risks and downsides. Some people worry that brain tech could be used to read people's minds or control their thoughts, and there are valid concerns about the privacy and security of neural data. However, the truth is that the benefits of brain tech far outweigh the risks, and with proper regulation and safeguards, we can ensure that this technology is used for the greater good. As Elon Musk's startup Neuralink has shown, brain-computer interfaces have the potential to restore independence and autonomy to people with paralysis or other motor disorders. And with the latest advancements in speech decoding, people who have lost the ability to speak may soon be able to communicate again. But here's the thing, we need to have a nuanced conversation about the potential risks and benefits of brain tech. We need to consider the ethical implications of this technology, and ensure that it is developed and used in a way that prioritizes human well-being and safety. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of brain tech to change lives, or do you have concerns about the risks and downsides? Let us know in the comments. As we move forward in this new frontier of brain tech, it's essential that we prioritize transparency, accountability, and public engagement. We need to ensure that this technology is developed and used in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few. The challenge now is to keep our fears proportional to the risks and our imaginations wide enough to see the gains already in hand. Real patients are walking farther, talking faster, and in some cases, simply feeling like themselves again. The brain tech revolution is here, and it's time to embrace it.